These are two of the best travel tripods you can get on the market. One's for about 100, the other one's for about 200. So we're gonna do an unboxing of a brand new tripod I just got. This Ulanzi video tripod, and I'm so excited to get it out and try it. So I've been having the K&F tripod. I've had it on 3 continents now, and I've used it literally all around the world, and it is a great tripod. It packs up really small, it's really light, but it has a few things that I don't like about it. Like anything, there's trade-offs that you have, advantages, disadvantages. So this Ulazni tripod hopefully will address all those things. So one of the things that I don't like about my tripod, the K&F, is that it is a photo tripod, which means that it doesn't have a video head, which is a smooth tracking head that you can use to smoothly track subjects. It's really good only if you're keeping it horizontal, locked off horizontal. But if you want to track something vertically or at an angle, or any kind of complex movement where you're panning and you're tilting at the same time or anything like that, it's not your tripod. So I've been looking for a nice video tripod that's nice and smooth. So this is the Ulazni video tripod. You have to see it has a very nice video head, and also has the Ulazni quick release, which I love the Ulazni quick release. I have 5 different ones for different uses. So you can see that it's really nice and compact. And you see, this is the best part. Look at that. One twist, you can pull the leg right out, versus my K&F. As much as I love it, it has like 4 different articulations to pull out each leg, and you have to do that 4 times. So we're gonna get a look at this tripod. We're gonna compare the K&F, and we're gonna compare this beautiful Ulanzi video tripod. We're gonna get a good feel for how they work. The Ulanzi tripod to my tried and true K&F tripod. You can see that the K&F is quite a bit smaller. It is a little bit shorter. As far as the weight, I think they feel about the same, which is pretty good considering this has a video head, which is a lot heavier than a photo head, which is one this one has, even including the FALCAM I've attached to it. If I remove the video head, you can see actually tripods are about the same size. Also, they both come with these handy carry bags. So now we're going to compare how easy it is to break them down and put them up. Now, like everything in life, everything comes with trade-offs. Now, this K&F tripod is extremely compact, extremely light, but the trade-offs is you have to break down each individual joint in order to get it to that small size, and that's kind of annoying. Now, you see the controls are very nice. It has the horizontal controls here, then it has a little control here in order to adjust the ball joint, and it has a top Arca Swift clamp at the top. Very good. It has a nice little leveling indicator there as well. It's really good. I love it. Now I added the Ulanzi here at the top. Now it has also the little angle adjustings for each leg, which lets you have it wide, medium, or all the way down. I usually have them all the way down. Now the other thing about this is the height. The height can be advantage or disadvantage. I'm about 6 foot. For me, it's about chest height. I'd rather have something a little taller, about eye level. Just helps if you're in a crowd or something like that. Helps you get a little higher off the ground. But anyway, you can see it's pretty quick to break down. Now you can see the Ulanzi on the left, and you can see the K&F on the right. Now you can see how quick it is to open up this tripod. It is really fast. Literally, you can see it's like 2 steps. You pull up the central one, and then you turn at the bottom. There's a little part you turn, the foot, and boom, you can pull it right open. It also has a great Ulanzi quick release at the top, which I love the Ulanzis. If you're interested, I have a full video on all my Ulanzi connectors. They're really nice. The Ulanzi quick release F38 FALCAM. Anyway, just click in the video up ahead if you like it. But here you can see it in action here with my ZV-E1 and my DJI sound wireless sound system, and all together it just works really nicely together. I also have a Mini 3 Pro, which I also love. I'm looking forward to the Mini 4 Pro coming out for the obstacle avoidance, because I did crash my drone. But anyway, this is just a really great system, so I look forward to trying it out. Please look in the description if you're interested in picking any of these designers up through my affiliate links. I get a little bit for the channel. Thank you very much. Take care.